Today, may panibago na naman tayong vlog. Of all the skincare products that I have tried before, I think this product, yung pinakamatagal ko talagang test, pinakamatagal na ginamit, na i-review because this product ay 9 months kong ginamit and talagang naubos ko yung product, talagang binigyan ko siya ng time na gamitin. So, I've been using the product for 9 months already and masasabi ko sa inyo na maganda talaga itong product na ito. So, yung product na bibigyan ko ng review sa inyo today ay this one. This is Klairs. Ito yung kanilang freshly juiced vitamin mask cleanser. So, ito yung product na yon. So, this is the packaging, the box. Ang ganda ng kanyang, very premium yung kanyang very premium yung kanyang box. Now, this is my second bottle. This is the first one na naubos ko na, as in wala na siya. Ayan na. Walang-wala na siya. And this is the second bottle na ginagamit ko now. For 9 months, hindi ako nag-breakouts. Wala akong active na talagang yung mga pimples na sobrang malalaki tapos may mga nana. I did not experience ng ganun tigyawat using the product. Months of using this, na-realize ko na ang ganda ng product kasi nga hindi ako nagbe-breakouts at hindi ako tinitigyawat. Tapos, what I do, ginagamit ko lang siya consistently ng morning, tas evening, tas kada mag-shower ako, ginagamit ko siya. Tapos, parang naging routine ko na siya to the point na hindi ko na siya iniisip na makakatulong sa tigyawat, makakatulong na maging fresh yung skin, ganun hanggang sa later on, I realized na, wow, ang ganda pala ng cleanser, wow, may pa-wow, ang ganda pala ng cleanser na ito, and it really helped me na makondition yung aking skin to the point na hindi na ako nagbe-breakouts at hindi na ako tinitigyawat. Now, yung Pure, now, yung na-experience ko sa kanya using the product, ginagamit ko siya as cleanser. Pwede nyo siyang gawing mask. So, meaning to say, 2-in-1, pwede nyo siyang gamitin as cleanser, pwede nyo siyang gamitin as mask. Yung, you have to leave it for 5 minutes sa inyong face, and then you're good. Now, what I do, I cleanser lang talaga siya. I just leave it for like 60 seconds and then hihilamusan ko na siya. Tapos, very calm, very moisturizing, and very hydrating. Very foamy siya kapag ginagamit kasi nga, pwede siya as mask. Pero, kapag ginagamit siya, very refreshing siya sa skin. Hindi siya matapang, hindi siya yung tipo ng cleanser na kapag ginamit mo, ang ganit-ganit sa face kapag hinilamusan mo siya. Very madulas, very moisturize yung inyong skin kapag ginamit niyo siya. And talagang when I use the product, napansin ko talaga na hindi ako nagkaroon ng breakouts. Tapos ang refreshing niya sa skin. Although hindi ko napansin na this one ay talagang sobrang nakakaputi ng skin. Pero what I love with this one, hindi talaga ako tinitigyawat with this. Kasi nga 9 months of using it, I can say na kung hindi siya maganda or maganda siya or hindi. And hindi talaga 9 months wala akong breakouts na experience sa inyo. Wala akong 9 months akong walang na-experience ng breakouts. And I got this sa Shopee for I think nasa 500 pesos. So medyo pricey nga lang siya. Pero honestly guys, if you're going to use this as cleanser, sobrang tagal nyo siyang magagamit. Konting-konti ko lang talaga siyang ginagamit and you're good to go. Hindi ako gumamit itong cleanser na ito and very, very matipid siyang gamitin. Later ko lang siya na-appreciate nung na-realize ko na eto yung ginagamit ko na cleanser for a very long time, for ilang months. Tapos, hindi ako nagkakaroon ng breakouts. Yun yung appreciation ko using the product. Kasi nga, sabi ko, wala naman ako ibang ginagamit for my face na cleanser. This is the only product na ginagamit ko. But then, I realized na ito yung reason kung ba't hindi ako nagkakaroon ng breakouts. Tapos, very fresh nga lang siya sa skin. Wala akong negative na experience. Walang redness, irritation, and tingling sensation. At all, wala akong ganun na experience sa kanya. So, that is why I purchased another pack which is in this box. So, ito yung unang pack. And this is the other one. Nanilaw na tong isa kasi nga lagi na sa CR. And ang tagal ko na tong ginagamit. Tapos, sa price niya, you'll get 150 ml of the product. And natatanggal niya yung mga impurities sa inyong skin, yung oil, yung dirt, yung gunks. Talagang ma-feel nyo na ang linis ng inyong face kapag ginamit nyo ito. It has a vitamin C, and we know that vitamin C is really good for the skin. Hindi ko masasabi na namuti yung aking face na sobrang OA na maputi. But the radiant, the glow, mapapansin ko na andun yung glow ng skin ko na hindi naman siya OA na sobrang maputi, pero there is a brightening effect na binibigay and very refreshing sa skin. Nakakaputi din siya. It has a glutathione and vitamin C. It has PHA and mga exfoliant, pero very, very mild lang talaga nito sa skin, guys. You have sensitive na skin, if nagsasuffer yung skin barrier, may redness, irritation, this is a great option to try because it has a 8 types of hyaluronic acid, which is good for skin hydration, moisturization, and skin barrier. So, really, honestly, if I am going to say, I really can recommend this product because ang ganda talaga, guys, ng aking na-experience sa kanya. Walang halong eme. I tried it for 9 months and Siyempre, guys, hindi ako bibili ng second bottle kung hindi maganda yung first bottle, di ba? So, ang paggamit ko sa kanya, morning and evening, and kapag maliligo ako. Amount and then lather it all over our hands. So, ayun guys, and this is my face. So fresh talaga siya kapag ginagamit and hindi siya drying once gamitin mo siya. And this is my face. And ang ganda and puro positive yung na-experience ko using this one. Although at first, I wasn't able to appreciate yung kanyang performance, but later on, I realized na this is really, really, really good. So, for daily cleanser, this one is a must. Okay, so again, if I am going to recommend the product, yes, I am going to recommend the product. This is really good for the skin, and really, guys, promise you will not regret of using the product. Hindi nyo lang siya ma-appreciate at first, pero if you're regularly using it, then later on, marirealize nyo na maganda talaga tong cleanser ni Klairs. Okay, so yun, that's all, guys. This is there. So, yung product ay si Dear Klairs. So, yeah, this is the product and ang ganda. Okay, so if you're going to ask me, yes, I can recommend. And if you like this review, guys, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And of course, mag-subscribe kayo sa akin channel. There's a red to subscribe. And of course, guys, please don't forget to click the notification bell para once I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so that's all. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!